Hey guys, today I wanted to show you how to make a nourishing herbal infusion, and that's basically where you take a mason jar, you put your herb. Today I'm doing mullein because I'm not feeling very well in my throat. I have a cough and sore throat, so I'm going to use the mullein. And you basically just take the herb, fill about 1/4 to 1/3 of the mason jar, and then you take boiling water and you're going to fill that up. Now, once you have it filled up, I usually will let it sit for about a half an hour open on the stovetop to let it like cool a little bit, and then put the lid on it, and then I'll let it sit out for another 2 hours. Make sure whatever you do not shake this jar once you put the lid on. If you shake the jar, it is going to explode everywhere, I promise you. So please don't shake the jar at any point until it's cold. So what I do is I let it sit out on the stovetop for 2 hours, okay? That way there, it's gonna cool down. Once it's cooled down after that 2 hours, you're gonna put it in the fridge. Keep it in the fridge overnight, let it sit in the fridge overnight, and the next day, you can take it out and you're gonna strain it through with a cheesecloth. You're gonna get all the mullein out of there. You can chuck that, throw it in your garden, whatever you wanna do with it. And you can drink it. So you're gonna just drink a small cup of it twice a day if you're not feeling well, once if you are. And usually, it lasts, whatever you made lasts 3 to 7 days. So you'll know it's gonna start tasting a little bitter when it's no longer good, but that's an herbal infusion, guys. Well, for you guys, so take care.